Assalamu alaikum everyone, and alrighty, it's Thursday 25 of August and we are looking at Bitcoin trading at 21,737. Now yesterday there was a talk about the possibility of a little bit of relief for Bitcoin, but still the story remains the same, that this is nothing more than a buildup of a very big some sort of a bear flag on the 4-hour time frame. You can just see how extended we're getting with this bear flag at the moment. So it's still pretty dangerous to me if you ask me. You're just coming down, consolidating up, coming down, going up, going down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. This is not good enough to actually start an uptrend. Okay, talk about proper uptrend, and this is still not good enough for us to say that we are on the verge of making an uptrend. Okay, now anyways, it's Thursday today, so this could be the final day and the final opportunity of Bitcoin to make its big move to the upside. If it wants to make its big move, well, nice. Okay, Wednesdays, Thursdays, they actually do all this midweek reversal, but you can see that this time this midweek reversal is nothing more than just a sideways pull to the upside and to just complete that very beautiful bear flag. At the moment, what I can say is the following, that if I do extend this upper resistance right here, then we might see Bitcoin just making its way all the way up to 21,800. Heck, who knows, maybe wake up to $22,000 and then get rejected at $22,000 and then start slowly start to lose this trend line in the next coming weekends probably, and then you lose from the weekends and then boom, you start to drop it down. The technical target is where still actually lies down here. Okay, now I actually did notice one pattern, and this pattern is quite important for me to talk about. Let me try to remember if I can see where we are. All right, so yeah, I got it. Don't worry, I got it. The thing is, I think it's on the daily that I saw, and let's dive into the daily one more time here so that we can see what the hell is happening here with Bitcoin. Okay, now this pattern is something that I want to study. This, whatever happened here, right? Whatever happened here before the drop to the downside like this is what I can see happening right over here. Just a very big consolidation before we actually start to make that big move. Okay, so here's what is in my mind right now, because you had this potential head and shoulder here. So left shoulder, head there, broke out of the head and shoulder, came to the technical target. Now you have been consolidating for a while. Okay, you went up like this, sideways, came down, went up, came down, moved to the upside, and then you came down like this, moved sideways again, made a bear flag, and then push to the downside. So it's pretty much the same thing. You went upside, came down, and make a nice good looking rising wedge, which is a technical target to actually come down to $19,000. So I don't see Bitcoin surviving anytime soon. It's just making a consolidation box at the moment, and then from there something nasty can really happen. So at this point of time, my take is that if you do go back in history again, we are somewhere here. Okay, this is where we are, somewhere very near there. What I just circled here is where we are in current situation, just there. It's only a matter of time. We make that one maybe green candle in Fridays, take everyone in, and then start to move down slowly, and then go to the downside. So right now, maybe just a little bit of a push up and then slowly start to roll over to the downside. That's my take about it. Okay, I can be totally wrong about this one, but Bitcoin loves to actually repeat its own history all the time. So history is always a good teacher. We can learn from what happened back in the days. So this is what let's consider the patterns printing right now is the very, very same as this one, because when you went down, you had this bear flag, right? You had that sort of a bear flag, and instead of going down all of a sudden like this, you actually made a sideways movement, try to move up, and then get rejected, and then you start to go lower. So this is probably what I can say about Bitcoin right now, because what you're doing is you do have that very same bear flag, just like that one. Instead of going down straight like this, do some shopping. The market maker is just doing some shopping right now, and that probably is just building his own position to make sure that nobody wins this short opportunity that we have for Bitcoin. Weekend is around the corner. Just don't bloody get it. By now, if anything big would have happened, then it would make sense for Bitcoin to actually already move back up to 24Ks and whatnot, okay, which I don't see it happening just yet. This is a green lollipop, it's a suckers rally. I'm not buying that bullshit, guys. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.